Investing can be intimidating, but fear not, my friends. I'm here to guide you through the ultimate investing journey. Step 1: Educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos to expand your knowledge. Step 2: Set clear financial goals. What are you investing for? Retirement? A dream vacation? Knowing your goals will help you make smarter investment decisions. Step 3: Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Step 4: Start small and be consistent. You don't need a fortune to begin. Invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Step 5: Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your plan. And finally, Step 6: Seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you navigate the complex world of investing. So, my friends, let's embark on this investing journey together. Remember, knowledge, goals, diversification, consistency, patience, and professional advice. Happy investing!